Valkyrie Robot is one of the most advanced humanoid robots developed by NASA, designed to operate in extreme and dangerous environments. Built for space missions and disaster response, Valkyrie can walk, climb, and use tools just like a human. Its human-like design allows it to work in places built for people, such as space stations or damaged buildings, making it a powerful assistant in situations too risky for astronauts or rescue teams. It uses tools designed for humans. It performs maintenance and repair work. It lifts and carries heavy objects. What makes Valkyrie truly fascinating is its combination of strength, precision, and evolving intelligence. While it is not fully autonomous yet, it can perform complex tasks with remote control and semi-autonomous systems. As technology advances, robots like Valkyrie could play a major role in future missions to the Moon and Mars, helping humans explore deeper into space while staying safe.